All right, S&P rocking and rolling. I am short the S&P. The 547 puts for this Friday. And all I'm doing is hoping for a pullback. This is something I told my group. I'm short. Yeah, I actually went short the futures first. I was like, we shot up. It's like I'm short. Stop above today's highs, and it did tag out. Push up a little bit further, and then I grabbed puts. So they are red. I'm just hoping for a pull it back, a rein it back in play, something that puts SPY below $500. Yeah, let's get SPY down to here. I would be very rich if that were to happen. But right now, pull it back play is kind of all that is, and we're just right at the expected move. So a little bit riskier. Typically, when I take this play, we're outside the expected move for the week. Again, I thought we were a little bit up there, kind of pullback play. If anything, I think the fireworks are done. Let me hit my fancy buttons. Speaking of fireworks, let's just see what we got going on the calendar. Thursday, jobless claims. Okay, we know that. People don't have jobs. And then we got PMI, so we got some letters on Friday. Okay. I don't know. Fireworks are probably done. Cody thinks he came up with the double dip. I gotta say, he's been killing it lately. He says, I am the original double dipper. Don knows it. How are those NFTs? Just kidding. Feels like retail weeks are mostly green. If you look between last year and the year prior, no. But for the last 11 years of me doing this, yeah, they are. And it's like they just continue to go. It's like there's just no opposing force. It kind of just grinds up. So I hear you on that one. Hopefully we pull back. S&P, sorry, not S&P, the NASDAQ, same thing, just continue that grind up. A pull back into this gray zone right here. Because we're at all-time highs, we don't really have much to really base these zones off of. That's why, again, they're white. Until that red candle followed by another red candle, that would just be the dip buy, and that is something I would go long on. As far as the RSI, we're overbought. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to crash. Overbought across the board. Full send. Have you heard what they've been saying? I don't know what they've been saying, but I imagine it's pretty bearish. All right, expected move. We're still right inside. Everything all planned for according. All right. Okay, so we talked about a while back, if when it gets to this yellow zone, that's your dip buy. Bought it, shot up. Talked about not buying it right here. That was your one time. I do think this is probably about to break. However, this yellow zone is a little bit brighter for a reason. That would be the dip buy zone. I'm going to put my alert there. When that alert goes off, well, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy some futures contracts. And I'll put my stop below this red wick. And this is what confuses a lot of people. It's like, where do you put your stop? And again, I don't mind taking one loss. After two losses, it's probably not a thing. So I'll put my stop below here. Now, if this wick happens, it drops down, tags me out, turns out to be a wick, I get back in with a new stop below this wick. Now, if that tags out, clearly something's not jiving, and I'm out. So I don't mind taking two losses. So that's how that will likely pan out. Not that I want to take two losses, but I'm not going to put my stop all the way down here. That's a little bit wider. I'm going to take a little bit bigger position and just have my stop right here for the time being. All right, as far as the Russell goes, yeah, everything we've all had accounted for.